Here we are at Sol Duc, and this is actually the one of the hot spring. How's it smell, Adam? Smells like sulfur. There's a gift shop. That's where you check in. It's actually been moved from where it was last year. A little gift snack shop. Souvenirs.
No, you can go around to get back to 40 inches. You just add into yeah.
Restaurant.
Okay, and then no, I can easily bring it
There's the whole 10 tickets for $110, which is a much better deal than paying individually. And we're about a quarter mile from the resort, and here's the campground. We're Loop B. But Loop B is closed right now, so only Loop A is closed. And we are in site number 8. Which I think you might have also you fill out your forms. And now we're gonna go to your site. So look up site number 8. How did you get across there in the first place? Oh my god, your boots are soaked. Go across. Day 3. It's been raining for the last 24 hours. We're nice and cozy in our tent with our big inflatable mattress. And look at, it's been pretty cold at night, around 30 degrees. Well, probably mid 30s. And everyone has left. Camping next to us. We just have it all to ourselves. So here we are. It's a beautiful place in the wilderness, semi-wilderness. We pretty much have it all to ourselves. It's pretty awesome. Hi, Adam. If you want to walk to the waterfalls, you can actually walk from the campground. You go through this Loop B first. Falls are about 3 miles away. Wouldn't recommend hiking it at this time of the year. It's pretty muddy. Instead, what we're going to do if it stops raining is drive to the end of the Sol Duc road, a couple miles up ahead, park there, and then it's a short, maybe half-mile walk into the falls from there. Okay, let's go walk at the falls, okay? About all the trails, animals you might see. Yeah. 0.8 falls to Sol Duc. 0.8 miles to Sol Duc Falls. Look at that. So pretty. These are not the first set of falls, but these are the cascades. You pass on your way to them. They're quite pretty. We're at the shelter. This is where you leave to go take the longer hikes up towards the 7 Lakes Basin Loop hike. That's an amazing hike. Want to go take a look at the shelter? These are where the falls are, right here. I don't want to go to the shelter first. Here we are at the waterfalls. water right now. The snow as well, still. Hot water. Wow. That's big. You ready? Okay, let's see you. So Adam got, what did you get?
Elk burger.
Elk burger. You gonna cut it or are you gonna just eat it whole?
I'm just gonna eat it.
Okay, go for it. That's one big burger. How's it taste?
Well, crunchy but juicy. Crunchy but juicy.
And it doesn't taste, does it taste like hamburger? No. I've got the broccoli cheddar soup. That's really yummy too. How's it feel?
Warm.
Warm? What's the temperature?
65.
Oh my goodness. You've been in there for like half an hour. Good job. So how's your French toast? So today's our last day here. What was the best part of the trip, do you think?
I don't know.
What was the worst part of the trip? I'd say the rain. It rained so much, right? Yeah. I think my favorite part of the trip might have been the hike to the waterfalls. The hot springs was the second favorite, probably. How about you? Definitely the hot springs. And the cold springs? The cold pool?
Oh, that's very cool. Oh, I jumped in it 49 times.
49 times. You're going to do number 50 today?
You are.
Oh, I'm going to do number 50. I'm jumping in. Oh, okay. That sounds fun. Well, this is a great adventure.
Oh, we should both jump in for 50.
Okay, we can jump in together maybe. Okay. It's so beautiful here. I'm going to really miss it.